and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 8th, 2018, and I have one of my Figaro dahlia seedlings here, and I wanted to show you here it's set bud to bloom. And I have another one over there that's set bud to bloom as well. Now these are the ones that were started in the Jiffy seed starting mix, and they were started in, hold on a moment here, let me find it, January the 16th, and they started coming up on, January the 18th, and this one was just transplanted February the 24th, and I just wanted to show you here this bud where it did set bud to bloom. So I have some other ones that did set bud to bloom as well. The ones I tried and the peat pellets, they're still kind of just sitting there. They're not really growing too much. So the seed starting mix is my preferred method for starting these. But as an experiment, I tried them in peat pellets. So I just want to show you this. When this actually blooms and opens, I'll come back with another video and I will show you what it looks like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button and I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.